Welcome back. Continuing the news. Now, you wouldn't expect a deaf person to be working at a call center. But in this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, Sutherland Global is rewriting the narrative by hiring deaf employees. Nakinsky Robinson explains.
Applause fills the room, hands raised and fingers waving, a powerful expression of appreciation in the deaf community. Why? Sutherland Global has taken a bold step, becoming the first BPO in Jamaica to hire and integrate deaf employees in their workforce. Kimberly Senior and Alanda Robinson, employees who were once limited by traditional work environments, now have a space they can thrive, contribute, and be heard. This experience has been life-changing for them.
Working with hearing person as a deaf person was really interesting. I did chat and email and I really enjoyed it. My experience to work at this company is very, very excellent experience. I like working here.
And the company has taken things a bit further. Simultaneously, they've also trained some of their hearing staff the skill to ensure a bilingual and seamless interaction. Quality analyst Albert Brown emerged as the top performer throughout the training offered by the company.
Can't say I'm too surprised about it, because I did really put in the work.
An experience which he says has deepened his awareness of the challenges faced by the deaf community, and one which has filled him with profound purpose and joy.
Just to be able to interact as well, not even just being there to support the deaf or hard of hearing employees that we have, but just hey, hi, how are you doing? Just on a human level.
Meanwhile, Ryan Ingram, a senior associate manager at Sutherland, has been connected to the deaf community for over 10 years. She understands the importance of bridging the communication gap in the organization and hopes the company will sponsor more staff and hire deaf employees annually despite the costs.
I would have been familiar with identifying or knowing what, from a company perspective, we would need to ensure work would actually be in place to have the organization be fit to hire these persons.
As for Andre Witter, CEO of Ready to Sign Limited, he was stunned when he learned that a call center has hired deaf employees, something almost unheard of in the industry.
I was like, oh, doing what? A call center? Working on the phone? What type of job? And they explained to me and I was like, oh, it makes sense. And then I got excited and we proceeded to work together. And we have been communicating with the deaf people who work here and we keep in contact with them and it seems that they're interested in working here and it has been an incredible experience for them.
The training lasted for 12 weeks and Mr. Witter shared his approach.
We had deaf awareness, we taught deaf awareness, deaf culture. We did develop their communication skill in the areas that they work in. They also had to do tests from time to time to ensure that they're learning and that they're learning about deafness and deaf awareness. So I think the technology has helped us to train different people at their pace and at their time.
As for the future of the program, Mr. Witter wants more corporate companies in Jamaica to come on board to champion workplace equity, turn silence into strength, and refine the culture of inclusion.
Deaf people, we're not limited. We're humans and we have ability and we're just like you. There is no difference. So all the companies must consider how they can create quality. And it's not just about accessibility just for deafness, but the quality service itself, the service that the company provides to customers, they also have to think about how they can provide that quality to the deaf customers.
Nakinsky Robinson, TVJ News.